QuickBooks Online Accounting for Business, Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to this review of QuickBooks Online. If you're thinking about using QuickBooks for your business accounting, keep watching for an honest breakdown of its features, pros, and potential downsides. Links to the product are in the description if you want to learn more. Let's dive right in. QuickBooks Online is built to simplify accounting for small to medium-sized businesses. It's designed for business owners, entrepreneurs, and even freelancers who want a robust, cloud-based accounting system they can access from anywhere. The main features include expense tracking, invoicing, profit and loss statements, tax preparation tools, and real-time reports. These features provide an easy-to-use, all-in-one solution for managing your finances without needing an accounting degree. QuickBooks Online has an intuitive interface that makes it easy to set up and start using. You can link your bank accounts and credit cards directly, so your transactions are automatically imported and categorized. This saves time and reduces errors. It also supports recurring invoicing and payment reminders, which can help with cash flow by ensuring clients pay on time. For payroll and tax time, QuickBooks handles calculations, filings, and payments, reducing the risk of penalties. Now, who should use QuickBooks Online? It's ideal for businesses with straightforward financial needs, especially those with minimal inventory tracking requirements. However, businesses with more complex needs, such as large-scale inventory or advanced job costing, might need additional add-ons or other software. Also, keep in mind that while the software is generally intuitive, there is a learning curve. You may want to set aside some time to fully explore its features. Overall, QuickBooks Online is an excellent choice for small businesses needing accessible cloud-based accounting software. It's efficient, flexible, and priced reasonably for the features it offers, though advanced features do come at a higher price tier. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on tools that make business easier. Thanks for watching.